Hello? 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 I can't hear you.
Welcome back. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. This is a series about backup plans for virtual facilitators. And it really is important that our cell phones work near our computers, not just to connect and talk with colleagues and clients, but especially as a backup option, if your internet provider goes down, that you can switch to data and either connect your computer with your phone cell data, or what I've done sometimes in a Zoom meeting, I've logged in from my phone, added myself as a co-host. So I'm not only with a backup computer, my main computer, but sometimes I've also logged in with my cell phone co-host, and I've got it on Wi-Fi plus data. So if Wi-Fi went down, it would switch to data and I would still be logged into the meeting. I can host from my cell phone if need be while a computer's restarting, or if the internet provider is down, I can continue and then connect. So I hope that this backup plan option with your cell data and also this cell phone booster that really makes a difference. I'm going to show you a TikTok video that I made about installing the antenna on the outside of my house, and I'll link more details in the blog below. Thanks for watching.